In this video, I'm going to show you how to use background remover in Canva. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Canva. Once we are on the main dashboard, we're going to click on Create right here on the left, and then you're going to select what type of design you want to make. So if you want to do a presentation, go ahead and select that. An Instagram post, you can scroll to the right and see more options. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Instagram post. After you have the correct size for your post, go ahead and click on uploads, and you can upload the image that you want to use. I already have my picture, so I'm just going to go ahead and select it. Now that you have your image, the only thing you need to do is to click on your picture, and right here at the top of your screen, you're going to see this option that says BG remover, background remover. So simply click on it, wait a few seconds, and that's it. Canva is going to automatically delete the background for you. Of course, now you can play with the sizing and you can change the background maybe to a different color, or you can even go to the left and scroll down a little bit and you can select background if you want different options. So you can select a picture of the sky, of the beach. They have different patterns that you can use, and that's it. You do have to have Canva Pro to have access to this feature, but it is absolutely worth it because it can elevate a lot of your designs. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye.